Today I show you how to power off your computer without using the mouse. These are the keys that are important. You have here Control, and then Alt is here, and Delete is here. You can either use Control Alt Delete, and you see the power menu, or you use Alt F4 to close a few programs that are open, and then the last time when it's only the desktop, you will see the power off menu. But you can also use Tab to reach the power menu on the screen. So I'll show you right now on the screen. So I use the tab, it moves the focus to the enter, to the submit, then to reset password, and then it changes the focus to the users. And the next thing, it goes here with the focus to this network internet options. You see that it's there in the corner. And if I press tab again, accessibility, I can also press shift and tab. So shift tab goes back, tab goes forward. So now I go with tab to the power menu. And to see this power menu, all I have to do is press space. After I press space, I can use the up and down arrows on the keyboard. Now I can use the up and down arrows keys on the keyboard to move up or down. I could either use hibernate or shut down, or even do a restart. So I could do the option to shut down and then press enter. You will get this notification that you might have another user logged in. Even with this option that another user is logged in, I press enter because it's highlighted. And if it's not highlighted, I could press tab if there are other things on the screen. Press enter, now the computer will shut down. When you are logged in, you can use the Control Alt Delete. So I press now Control Alt Delete on the keyboard and I get this menu. And if you look in the lower right corner, it's the same as before, and all I have to do now is use tab to navigate, escape, and now Control Alt Delete again. The Control Alt Delete, usually you use it to start the task manager. So I have the task manager started now, and I press again Control Alt Delete. I keep pressing tab until I go to this corner here, right there. Now I can go forward by pressing tab multiple times. When the power options are highlighted, I press space. Now I can choose either hibernate or shut down. I could choose hibernate. You wait for the computer to power off completely, the light turns off, and now it's quiet, it's powered off. Now I show you another way. I have some windows open and I will use Alt F4 to close windows. So you can use Alt F4 to close windows. The last time when I press Alt F4, if there are no windows open, I will get this power menu, and I have the option to shut down, restart, hibernate, or sleep, or even sign out if I wanted to. I choose here hibernate, then press enter, and the computer is going to hibernate. Now the computer is off. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.